How do you get ready for a job interview or another stressful situation? I want to give you what I call the 4 P's to get ready so that you feel as confident and ready as possible. So number 1 is prepare. You need to do everything you can to put the work in ahead of time to prepare. So that's getting your stories ready in the STAR-based format so that you can be ready to answer those behavioral interview questions. If there's a technical portion, you need to put in all the work you need to do that. You also need to make sure that you're understanding as much as possible what's going on in the company. Who's going to be interviewing you and what might their perspectives be and what they're going to be trying to figure out about you and what you can bring to the table. So put in that time and prepare ahead of time in those days and those hours ahead. Second is to pee. Literally go to the bathroom. Relieve yourself so that that's not a care that you need to deal with, because that can be a huge distraction and something that you just don't want to have happen if you can avoid it. Third is do something physical. So whether that's go for a walk or do some push-ups, do something that gets the blood moving a little bit more, which raises your confidence and gets that blood flowing instead of just kind of staying in that anxiety mode, which we can sometimes get into. And then fourth is to do a power pose. This comes from Amy Cuddy, who gave, I think, the most widely watched TED Talk of all time. Talks about the power of a power pose. Even literally getting in a Superman pose for a couple minutes can decrease your stress hormone and therefore increase your confidence going into a situation that might normally be stressful or anxiety-inducing. So, as a quick review, first of all, prepare, put that time in. Second of all, pee, relieve yourself, go to the bathroom. Third, do something physical like push-ups or going on a walk. And then fourth, do a power pose for a minute or two to get yourself ready to go. And then go put your best foot forward as much as possible, and then let whatever happens. You've done all you can to do a great job.